Checking into Dingxianghu Station, our metro journey begins. Tapping my phone's NFC at the gate. Heading down to line 10. Which is the starting station, so the platform isn't too packed yet. Finding a seat easily at this early hour pro tip. Always bored at the starting station. Carriage fills up completely within 3 stops.
The next station is
Transferring to line 2 at peak hour, everyone's racing against time. In Chinese offices, being 1 minute late can mean losing your monthly perfect attendance bonus about $50. This massive hub has 6 exits or B or C or F or G or H, handling over 31,000 daily commuters. There are really an extremely large number of commuters. A very long transfer distance. Line 2 trains arrive every 60 seconds during rush hour, but watch your step. Alighting at the business district hub. Office workers rushing to towers, travelers heading to the railway station. Exiting with NFC tap. 9 stops for 3.6 yuans, about $0.5 cheaper than a coffee.
Please stand firm and hold the handrail. 请勿在车站及出入口造成不便。
Riding up the exit escalator.
在车站出入口造成不便。
Bilingual exit signs. Railway station, public transit hub, parking, taxi stand. Head towards the exit of the square. Emerging to street level. That's the railway hub connecting all of China. From Beijing's ancient walls to Shanghai's neon skyline. Next time, let me show you the hidden gems of my hometown.